Okay, now we're in section 12 of the AutoCAD Electrical 2010 Basic Concepts course. We're going to look at automating data. There's our project there, 12, automating data, and our first drawing is exporting data here. So as usual, we're going to right click on the project, add the active drawing and say yes to the project default values. That'll update for us. If I double click there now, can you see it's gone to drawing 10. We don't want that, so it's a right click, properties, drawing properties, change that sheet value to 01, like so, and I'll OK that now. So there you go, we've got sheet 01 exporting data. Now let's have a look at the components that we actually have on our drawing. Let's zoom in a bit here, and I'm going to have a look now, and as you can see I've got F1 there. What would that be? Well, let's click on it, right click and edit that component. There's the component tag F1. And we're going to do a lookup on that. And as you can see there, we've got the manufacturers. Now I'm going to go for something like AB here. And we're going to go for a fuse indicator of 1492 there. It's a fuse indicator and fuse holder. So I'm going to OK that there and add that information to it. And these drawings contain related components. F1 contacts this drawing 2. Update to match edited component. Yes, I'll update that. And as you can see, look, it's edited that one and that one as well. Now let's do the same with the relay switch here, this one here. So we're going to select it, right click, edit component. And again, you can see the information there, insert and edit child components. I'm not going to worry about that too much. I could do the parent sibling as well if I wanted to. Installation and location I could insert as well. But I'm just going to OK that. That's fine as it is. There's my overload there, so let's have a look at that and edit component as well. And I can do a lookup on this one, and it's an overload relay. So let's just drop that in there and say OK to that and OK that. And also we'll update the other two, and they update as well. And last but not least, I've got my motor there, so click, right click, edit component, and we'll do a lookup on that one and we'll give it a specific motor. Let's just go for the top AB one for now. This is purely so that we can export the data, so I'm not too worried about which ones they are at the moment. So all that information has updated in the drawing. Now the first thing you must do, save the drawing, save all that data. Okay, now we go to the Import Export Data tab on the ribbon, and in the Export panel we go to Spreadsheet. And all we want is components, or we could do a general, which is all the asterisked ones below. I'm just going to go for components in this particular case and OK it. We're going to do it for the active drawing, let's say. Let's just do it for the active drawing for the moment, like so, and I'll OK that. Now it's asking me where do I want to put that. Well, I'm actually going to just drop that onto my desktop. It's a lot easier to find, and we'll just call it exporting data, and I'll save that Excel spreadsheet. So all of that information has been extracted and saved, and as you can see down on the command line there, data lines extracted is 10. So that's gone to an Excel spreadsheet now. What I've got to do now is open that Excel spreadsheet. So if I now go here to Alt Tab, I've got Excel open already. That's actually the totals for my videos there, but if I just go to Open and go to Desktop, there's my spreadsheet there, exporting data, and it's telling me there now that I might encounter an error because macros are disabled, because it's inserted macros into the spreadsheet. So what you've got to do there is set your macro security to low on Excel. I'm not too worried about it at the moment, but what we can do there is if we look at tools here, and we look, can you see macro there, security, and you would set that to low to allow you to use the macro that comes in, as you can see there, with the information in your spreadsheet. So you can see there we've got various part, family, tag name, and so on. Catalog numbers where we've linked and done a lookup to the catalogue are there as well. So as you can see, that's all there ready to be edited by someone who's using Excel.